Way back 2012 na mga high school or schoolmates kasi dati, magka-tapat lang among section. So, moto, kita-kita, and then from that time na mga foundation, mga sa compre activities, naman na siya mga blind dates good. So, mangita ko way na akong mga classmates akong i-briefing daan na pwede i-blind date minimo ni Crisel para mapansin ko niya.
Jason is very perceptive na even if I don't say o say problem nako, he always notices it. He will always know and he finds a way nga ma-solve niya even if I'm not asking for it. From a shy girl and an isolated girl from many, si Jason ang reason bakit tumibok ang puso ko to explore and to live a happy life with him and alongside the other people around him.
Crisel, ngayon iba ikaw sa imong kapubutor pagpukus kanunay sa imong kagalingon diha sa pagigugma o pag-alagad sa imong bana nga si Jason.
Oo, Padre.
Jason, yan hida ikaw sa imong kabuton aron pagpukus kanunay sa imong kagalingon diha sa pagigugma o pag-alagad sa imong asawa nga si Crisel.
Oo. After a year, nasulod ko sa academy. More than 1 year na walay communication.
It takes a strong woman to marry a soldier and to be in a relationship with a man in uniform. So if you're not ready for it, then don't go for it. But as for me, I will always be ready for him.
Nagulat na lang ko kay kadtong na-incorporate na ko sa PMA. So niabot siya kauban ako ma'am.
Even if it's a long-distance relationship, the distance meant nothing to us because he was always there to close the gaps between us and the imperfections brought by the relationship. And yeah, he always makes up for it. So that it's perfect actually. Not really perfect na walay fault, but he always makes up for the imperfections.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday.
To my first and forever, Daddy, right now that I am looking at you, there is one thing that I want to say, apart from I love you. Salamat. I rarely say this, but please know that I'm super thankful na mahimo kong part sa imong life in the same way that I am a part of yours too. Salamat always.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream. Oh, you're still the one I kiss.
Galo si Crystal sa iyo ba?
Bank account. Hi, Daddy. Thank you so much. Our future is secured. I love you.
Dili Ako ang naghiusa ninyo. Instrumento lang ko nga naghiusa sa mata sa katawhan, sa mata sa Diyos, ang Ginoo yung maghiusa ninyo.
In this journey of life, I choose you, and I will always have the courage, integrity, and loyalty to love you firstly and unconditionally.
I love you.
Sige, ma'am.
Ay, congrats kay na-settle down na jud mo. Kung unsa ka karon, mao nang gyapon, dili ka maotro. Congrats, oh. I love you.
I cannot promise you that I can give you the world, but I promise you that we can be each other's world with God in the center. I promise you na bisan unsa ka lisod, dili na ko buhian imong kamot. I will love you the best way that I can.
Pinapunta Giselle, Jason, ug manggabi nagpakatao ng Ginoo. Pinapunta ipakatao pod ninyo ang batang Hesus sa inyong kinabuhi diha sa lokasyon sa kanila.